Hey there, look where I am. I came back to the school for today to get some work done, and I'm in our classroom. I missed you guys. It's very quiet in here. All right, so this week you guys are going to be working with accidentals and being able to practice finding those accidentals on the keyboard, okay? So what is an accidental? Let's review what sharps and flats do. So we know that a sharp sign in front of a note is going to raise the pitch, okay? It raises the pitch by a half step, okay? And then we also have the flat sign. A flat symbol lowers the pitch by a half step. There are two ways to write sharps and flats in music. One way is like this, right before the note, so to the left of the note. Very important. Accidentals do not come after, they come before, okay? So that's one way, is to write a sharp or flat to the left of the note head, as I showed here. These ones are called accidentals because those are not found in the key signature. The other way to write sharps and flats in music is by using the key signature. But that is not, this is not accidentals, okay? These would be what accidentals look like. This is the key signature. These are just the two ways that you can write sharps and flats in music, okay? So moving on to accidentals. Accidentals, as I said a moment ago, are what are not found in the key signature, okay? So over here, in my demonstration, I decided to choose the key of E flat. If I just write B, this is what this note is here. If I just write a B, it is automatically going to be played or sung as a B flat. Why? Because it's in the key signature. So the accidental that I wrote was the very next note would be B natural. That's what that sign is there. Okay, whenever you see that symbol, that means that it's natural, which means if it is a flat, it raises the pitch back to the natural. If it is sharp, it lowers the pitch back to the natural. So for example, the B flat is a black key. So to natural, that B flat back to a B takes it to a regular B to play on the white key, okay? So I had a regular B, which was indicated as a B flat because of the key signature. I natural, that's my accidental. Then my next note was an E flat because of the key signature, E flat. So the next note I wrote is a natural. When you are using accidentals in music, the bar line will reset everything back to the key signature, unless it is tied over the bar line, like I did here. So this E natural, with this tie, it keeps this note an E natural. But this B flat here, it's not tied, but there's no accidental on it either. So because of this bar line, it reset, and so this B natural doesn't count anymore. You played B flat, B natural, E natural, tied over, and then B flat, okay? If they wanted this to be a B natural again, it would have to be indicated with the natural sign, with that accidental. What would happen if I took this tie away, but then did not add an accidental to that E? The bar line would reset the key signature and it would be played or sung as an E flat. All right, so this week you guys have one lesson that you need to fill out. Lesson 27, I'm trying to find it here, sorry. Where you're gonna work with natural, sign, and accidentals, okay? So that just explains the naturals again, and then it gives you the notes that you need to then color in on the piano keys like we've done before. So you'll practice with that, and then you will also be receiving a page with the circle of fifths on it. That's important to keep because we will be using it in our next unit, okay? Bye.